0.4 plus 3.1 and then parentheses 2.5. Okay. Well, let's see. We've got division, we've got addition, we've got multiplication. What do we do first?
Division.
Yeah, division because it's from left to right, right? Left to right. So, remember I was telling you when you're dividing to put it in rational form or fraction form?
Yeah.
Good idea to do it here. Okay, so here we have 0.8 over 0.4. And then we're just going to bring everything else over. Plus 3.1 times 2.5. Okay, so what do we do with the decimal in the denominator?
Move it.
Move it, right? Move it over so we have a whole number, right? Well, if we do that in the denominator, we've got to do that to the numerator. So in reality, what we have here is 8 over 4. Well, I know everybody can do this, right? 8 over 4 is going to be what? 2. So we just don't even have to do long division on this one. Bring everything else down. Plus 3.1 times 2.5. Alright, now we got addition, we got multiplication. Now what? Multiplication, right? So up to the side. 3.1 times 2.5. And so you're being consistent each time. No matter what you're doing, you're working your problems one step at a time. If you got some arithmetic you got to do it off to the side. Go back to your process of working with your order of operations. So that'd be 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 3 is 15, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6, 5, 7, 7. Where's that decimal going? Where?
After the first 7? 2.
Yeah. Good idea to put your sign over here, because when you're working through these problems, boom, you go back, alright, what was I doing? Multiplication or addition, subtraction, what was I doing? Good idea. With the sign there, it helps to say, okay, I'm multiplying, so that means I got to move that decimal 2 places. Okay, so here we have 2 plus 7.75. Okay, now we're going to add, right? So where's that 2 going?
Under the first 7.
Under that first 7 decimal point. If you want to put zeros under that, you can. You don't have to for addition. 5, 7, 9. Okay? All right. Any questions with that? All right, let's go to a new page. Here we have x, y squared, where x equals to 2.3, or 2.13 rather, y equals 3. Alright, so what do we got to do here? Plug them in, right? Put in 2.13, and what are we doing between the x and y? Multiply, right? Parentheses, put parentheses square there, put the 3 in there. Okay? So our order of operations tells us we're going to multiply or work the exponent first. Exponents are first, right? So 3 squared is 9, right? That's 3 times 3 is 9. So that means we have 2.13 times 9. Okay, sign there. 9 times 3 is 27, carry the 2, 9, 10, 11. 9 times 2 is 18, and 1 is 19. And is that our answer?
With the decimal.
Move the decimal 1, 2 places. 19.17. Okay? Any questions with that? Not much different, other than the substituting part. Everything else was